Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Located in the rural community of Lambs River is this 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house situated on 10 acres or 435,600 square feet of lush green terrain. Various types of fruit trees such as mangoes, ackee, coconuts, limes are on the property. There is also a river that is suitable for farming, irrigation, and animal rearing. This property is also approximately 10 minutes from Bethel Town and 1 hour from Montego Bay. Some other features of this property includes ceramic tile, wheelchair access, garden area, water tank, grilled, main level entry, fully fenced, view of the mountain, easy access to amenities, family oriented, hillside, private setting, rural setting, quiet area, landscaped, seniors oriented, acreage, paved and gravel road, and also level lot. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 60 million or US $390,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.